Welcome to downtown Wuhan, the vibrant capital of Hubei province in central China. As we step out of the Jianghan Road metro station, the air hums with energy. You are watching in full 8K 360. So look around freely as we begin our walking tour along one of China's most iconic pedestrian streets, Jianghan Road. Stretching for over a kilometer through the Hankou district, Jianghan Road is more than a shopping street. It's a window into Wuhan's past and present. Notice the blend of architectural styles. Colonial facades from the early 1900s stand beside sleek modern storefronts. Streetcars once clattered down this avenue. Today, it's a car-free promenade lined with cafes, boutiques, and glowing LED signs. The mix of voices, scents, and sounds is pure Wuhan, lively, confident, and endlessly curious. As we walk, you'll see restored bank buildings with Corinthian columns and ornate balconies. These were the financial centers of old Hankou, home to trading companies from Britain, Russia, and Japan. If you glance upward, the facades bear plaques with dates from the 1910s and 1920s, silent witnesses to Wuhan's early modernization. Today, they host coffee shops, art galleries, and local brands that keep the spirit of commerce alive in a new era. Now the street opens up a sea of signs, music, and movement. You might notice familiar global stores beside traditional boutiques selling silk, teas, and crafts. Look around. Couples take selfies under the retro street lamps. Kids chase bubbles near street performers, and food vendors fill the air with the smell of grilled squid and sesame pancakes. Wuhan locals love their food, and Rigan hot, dry noodles is never far away. If you follow your nose, you'll likely find a stall just off the main path. Jianghan Road leads straight toward the Yangtze River, once the lifeline of the city. You keep walking to the end, you'll reach Zhangtan Park, where locals gather for dancing, jogging, and watching the Wuhan light show. From here, bridges stretch like glowing ribbons across the water, connecting Hankou with Wuchang. It's a powerful reminder that Wuhan's story has always been about connection between rivers, between cultures, between past and future. Let's take a closer look at how Wuhan became what it is today. Long before the skyscrapers and modern bridges, this land was known as the thoroughfare of 9 provinces because of its location along the Yangtze and Han rivers. Wuhan has been a crossroads of trade and culture for more than 1,800 years. Ancient merchants once sailed here with silk, porcelain, and tea, turning the city into a powerful inland port that connected East and West China. By the late 19th century, Wuhan became one of the first Chinese cities to open to foreign trade after the Treaty of Hankou. That moment transformed it forever. Warehouses, embassies, and railways appeared almost overnight, making Wuhan a symbol of China's modernization. But history here hasn't been easy. Wuhan has survived wars, floods, and reinvention after reinvention, always rebuilding stronger than before. Even in the most difficult times, its people kept the same spirit, hardworking, open, and unshakably hopeful. Today, that resilience lives on in the rhythm of its streets, a blend of heritage and progress that defines Wuhan's soul. As our 8K 360 walking tour comes to an end, take one last panoramic look at Jianghan Road, elegant, electric, and endlessly alive. From its colonial roots to its modern pulse, this street tells the story of a city that honors its past while racing toward tomorrow. Thank you for joining Top Virtual Tours on this journey through downtown Wuhan. If you enjoyed exploring with us, please like the video, subscribe, and keep traveling virtually, one street, one story at a time.